I'm sure you've heard the news. Cracking your neck might feel great, but it comes with some serious risks. Sure, cracking your neck can feel like a mini massage, but it might not be as harmless as it seems. You see, when you crack your neck, you're actually stretching your joints and ligaments. Do it too often, and you could end up with joint instability. Imagine a door that's constantly swinging open and shut. That's your neck joints. And here's the kicker, you could accidentally pinch a nerve or even damage a blood vessel, leading to some serious health issues. Worst case scenario, stroke. Yep, you heard that right. So if you're feeling stiff, try some gentle neck stretches or see a professional. Your neck will thank you. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep your neck in check. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.